Hi. Hi everyone. I am Faisal, CEO of Discovery Metals. We are into renewable energy segment. We manufacture aluminum walkways with support system for the solar rooftop projects and also the accessories like diverter rail system here and the access ladders in aluminum for all power plants, sewage treatment plants, etc. That is our business. My career started as an entrepreneur. My career started in 2011 in UAE at the age of 36. I'll tell you. See, I was from my childhood. I was so passionate in singing songs. I was a singer actually. So after my SSLC, 10th, I joined to a new world. That means in my teenage, I have joined college, and where I really started seriously in my music career. That time it was not as a career, but it was a passion. I started singing songs. Then I was not focusing on studies actually. And one day, one of my previous my schoolmate, I met him while going to home. He asked me, Faisal, what are you doing? I said, I have not got engineering entrance. I am just joined BSc Maths. I am not much focused there also. I am into big problem. I am really tensed. He said, you already have a good backup of mathematics, and why don't you try? Because still you can appear for the second chance. Because first time I wrote entrance, I was not reaching anywhere else. My rank was very bad. So he encouraged me. He has told me some very good positive words. Really, I was stuck on the way, and I thought, yes, I can. His name is Jalil. He's a professor in Eduque Engineer College, aeronautical professor. So he told me, you can do this. Then I have seriously decided there that I can do. Why not? Let me try once more. Then I went home. I've taken a serious decision that I will try for the entrance. Only 4 months, 5 months left. So I started studying. I coordinate with my friends. See, there is no tuition, nothing. My father was not a rich man. We were having our, very, very average family. We were finding our bread and butter, and just to reach our expenses. That's it. So it was a huge burden for us to go for spending huge money for engineering tuition. I got full support from my friend circle. One of my friends, Shiju Chandran, he's a scientist in ISRO now. He helped me in a couple of subjects, and Jalil helped me in mathematics. I studied well, and with God's grace, I got admission in College of Engineering Trivandrum in mechanical. So I joined. Again, I started, when I got my achievement, again I was into normal person. Then I used to enjoy again in my music. Life goes on. Then my passion became completely music. Even I was in my college, I used to come to Dubai for music shows that time. So I was so passionate in A.R. Rahman songs. So that time, after my studies or after my work, even after I passed out from my college, first I have joined in automobile company in Kerala. Then I went to Bahrain for a couple of months. My passion again, since it is in the music, I was not able to focus anywhere else. I came back to India. I launched a couple of albums. Then it was a serious profession. It became a serious profession that time. But always my father used to tell me, no, this is not your future. This is not going to be your future. You have studied engineering and you should focus on that. So this was pinching me all the time, because my father, he was expecting a good career, that is a decent career, because this music career and all, it is not reliable. He was always pinching me. Then I came to Dubai I started working as a salesperson here. Since I am passionate in music, I don't want to go completely into technical. I want to talk with people. I want to develop my contacts. So I selected sales as career, so that I get enough time to focus on part-time for music. Like that, I worked here also. I was not successful because when I work, completely my mind is in music. After working time, immediately I go for stage shows, or I will go to India for some shooting, come back. So you see, the life passed. I married here, I got married here. Still my music passion goes. Finally, what happened? I got a big hammering that I lost my job here. There is a big recession started in 2007. That time I lost my job, completely spoiled. Then I seriously thought that why should I move from my office? Why I lost my job? Because when a crisis comes to an office, they will eliminate all the dead particles. I was into the dead particle because I was not much focused on the job. I was not so contributing well. Part-time, an average person. So I decided this is not the way I need to work. So after I lost the job in 2007, 1 year I struggled a lot. So I learned lot of things in my life during that period. I was having some bank loans, finances. My ignorances made me to do all these things. I was a spendthrift also that time. Finally, I have struggled more than 1.5 years in my life. That made me to think, rewind all my previous life. Then I changed, I turned around 180 degree. I became very serious in my profession. I thought, why should I move ahead with my music, which not give me any financial benefits, only I will be getting some, popularity. That's it. It won't feed me. So after 1.5 years, I got a job here in Al Sharawi group of companies as an export manager. My job was to travel around Middle East. So I used to travel every week to every different destinations, and I start my flying on Monday or Tuesday to one of the Middle East country and come back on Thursday or Wednesday. This was my routine for many years. I got a very good customer database, which made me to start my own business in 2011. One time I realized that yes, this is a point I need to start business. And one of the other reason was my family came here. So that time also it was very difficult to get a sponsorship under my name. Lot of formalities. I wanted to take my family also here. My parents are old. Unlike other people do, we are just sending some money and some calls to my parents. I was very much particular to get my parents and my family to be with me. That is life. Apart from all the monetary benefits, there are certain things we need to keep in our life. So I took my family. For that, I found this is the best way. Start my own company so that I can sponsor my family. So that is the actual reason of becoming an entrepreneur in UAE. First of all, my advice, when you start up, you should have some basic ethics of business. The basic ethics you should have. This everybody should have. The second thing, when you do business, don't work for money. Don't do it for the profit initially. So you just work for your passion. The money will follow you. It's a system, automatically it will follow you. So if you are passionate in your business, if you focus in your business, you will focus on the quality. And the second thing, the product you are going to handle, it should be a social committed product. It should have some kind of impacts on the nature, some positive impact on the nature. So these are the things you have to take care as a businessman, and everything will follow you. The money will follow you. That's it. And keep your ethics always in life. That's it. So the day one, this was my, as part of my pre-planning, I have already eliminated, or I have not touched any bank finance so far from my business. And I got proper investment from people on profit loss basis. These are the main thing which I have done in my business. So I always request and advise my friends and new entrepreneurs, so try to do this way, or else you should start with trading and slowly you have to enter into, make some money in trading and go to the manufacturing unit. It all depends on you, how you see things. Okay, that's it. I have that much of good experiences from this country. We are, since 2003, I'm here in this country, and this country gave me everything. And the rulers of this country, they have a great vision to protect the people here, including the nationals and expatriates, and they are taking care of us well. They are giving us all the supports, and of course I believe Dubai is one of the fastest growing country in the world in terms of technology, in terms of financial growth. It's really, I'm very much excited, and I strongly believe that even in the recession time, the rulers of here in UAE, they have protected all the business people. This is why we are here now, and that is the reason why I advise everybody to come to this country and start business, and you can reach globally. And once you have a branch in UAE, you can reach everywhere, and people would love to do business with you. That's it.